And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws. Stop your hooves. I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Zoogether Day! Special live performances from across Zootopia. And an unforgettable concert finale from superstar Wilde. With your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! And surprise! One of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up! I want to guess. No, the slot. Yeah, whatever. Come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Responsible for standard, okay?
Oh, this one.
No.
That one.
Flashing
I'm
one.
really bad at this.
You told us
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Hooray for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
Need you to fill in time.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Hey! Oh, time to a town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashmo!
Kozlo.
Kozlo.
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother. Why snowflakes on fire?
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that bug. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Detectives Hawks and Wilde investigating.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Fine.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all weather to the
The marsh is straight up. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you.
What? Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Bubba.
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
See who did this? Crazy.
Locked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
little rodentia.
Time to make like a tree, eh?
Clark,
What?
let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shrimp Angels! Hi! It's your daughter, Frou-Frou. A little rodentia for wee baby small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute.
We're gonna get iced.
Miss Frou-Frou, hang on!
wild animal kingdom, it's going on!
Living together, bitches!
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, you think his head has a lot of fun, so you should see his...
Wait!
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh! Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hello, Bellwether.
Sheep and wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, shit.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, VIZ. Let's hear you sing, Zootopia.
For legal reasons, I cannot.
Dream a dream, make a wish